Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to locate and filter the contracts log. In addition, we will introduce the bulk or mass actions you can use directly from this log. Knowing how to access and begin to manage your contracts is essential to servicing your customers and preventing leaving revenue on the table. Reminder: once an estimate is approved, a contract is generated in the system. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu and select Sales and Estimates. Then click Open on the Contracts section. From here, you are able to use the search filters provided to narrow down the list of contracts. Once your desired list is populated, use the bulk or mass action icons in the top right of the screen to print, download, or email all filtered contracts on the screen. Ready to give it a go? Navigate to Contracts the next time you log in to Field Central and see which actions you can take to bulk manage as needed.